Hi guys, it's me Drex Archer Smith. Welcome to my vlog. For today is video. Paano nga ba kumita kay Coco Live? Bago muna natin alamin kung paano kumita kay Coco Live, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga video ko. So ayun na nga, bago natin alamin, mag-intro muna tayo. Paano nga ba kumita kay Coco Live? Syempre, kailangan muna nating i-download yung link sa ating comment section para may download natin si Coco Live. Pagkatapos nyong i-download si Coco Live, papupunta kayo sa sign up. May available na Google, Facebook, at phone number. Pagkatapos nyong mag-sign up, kailangan nyong mag-authenticate ng inyong muka para makapag-live kay Coco. Bago natin alamin kung paano kumita kay Coco, may video akong ipapakita sa aking screen.
Hello, welcome to Coco Live. Coco Live is a self-withdrawal platform. Hosts can withdraw at any time. In Coco Live, users or spenders could purchase coins through platforms. The top-up price is close to 1 peso to 1,000 coins. The users could send gifts to support the hosts. There are two kinds of gifts in our Coco Live: luxury gift and lucky gift. The hosts will earn points if they receive the gift. The luxury gift is 55% and the lucky gift is 5%, which will automatically credited to the point balance. Hosts can withdraw the points at any time. The ratio of withdrawal is 300,000 points equals 300 pesos. The point in the host's balance will never disappear, so the host could accumulate in the account until the host wants to withdraw at any time. Coco Live has daily tasks, target turnover, and live duration. Hosts need to fulfill the specific turnover.
So yan guys, napakita ko na sa inyo yung video kung paano kumita kay Coco Live. Kailangan natin ng may music sa ating pagla-live. Pangalawa is kailangan natin ma-reach yung daily task na 2 hours para maka-earn tayo ng 80,000 points. Paano nga ba makakuha ng 80,000 points? Kailangan natin magbagsak ng luxury gift na worth of 100,000 points. Pag binagsak nyo to is kailangan na lang natin is yung 2 hours live para makuha natin yung 80,000 kinabukasan. Pagkatapos, may dalawang klase ng gift. Merong luxury gift and lucky gift. Para saan nga ba ang lucky gift? Yung lucky gift is 5% lang siya na bumabalik sa atin. Dahil ito ay sugal. Kung maswerte ka sa sugal, pwede kang manalo dito at maka-earn ng points. At pwede ring maka-earn ka sa turnover. Para saan nga ba yung turnover? Ilalagay ko na rin dito sa screen kung paano yung turnover na marireach dito. Ganun lang kadali para kumita kay Coco. Kailangan mo lang maka-reach ng 2 hours sa pagla-live mo everyday at kailangan mong mabagsak ng 100,000 na luxury gift. Pagkabagsak mo ng luxury gift, may ma-receive ka na 55,000 points or equivalent sa 55 pesos. Kinabukasan, may ma-receive kang 80,000 points. Bakit ka naka-receive ng 80,000 points? Dahil na-reach mo yung 100,000 na luxury gift at saka 2 hours live kay Coco. Ganun lang kasimple kay Coco kung paano kumita. At kung gusto nyong sumali sa aking agency, ilalagay ko na rin din sa comment section ng aming invitation code para makasali na kayo sa aming agency. Ang agency nga pala namin is the Prime Agency or the TV Agency. So ayun guys, natatapos ang ating video.